Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Google site. So, the first thing you're going to want to do is to open up your Google browser. So, I'm here on my Google page. And up here in the corner where you see these 9 dots, you're going to click there, and that's going to take you to your Google Apps. So once I open up my Google Apps, I'm going to go down until I see sites. Once I click on sites, if you've already created some Google sites, which I have a Google site that I've created and I'm using from another friend, you'll see them there. Otherwise, down here in the bottom corner, you'll see the plus sign. That's how you're going to actually create a new site. So once you click on that, it'll actually take you to where you're going to begin creating the site. And so there are lots of things here for you to be able to add and create. So, first of all, you're going to want to name it. So, that's what it's going to be saved as in your Google Drive. You can actually give it the title. So, right here is where you create your title. If you want to add pages, which I did, I added several pages into the one I'm going to show you. You can have different pages. Like, for example, I use my Google site to have my parents be able to go on and see all the things that are happening in the classroom. So I have pages that I use, like a newsletter page or the Google Calendar, a video that their students can watch every day, things like that. So if I wanted to create pages within my site, I could click here and down at the bottom again, I can do the plus and it'll say I can add a new page, things like that. If you want to have your site have a theme to it, you can click here where it has theme and you can select some of the themes that are already here for you, or you can even create your own theme. So I have actually, like I said, already created the site. So I'm actually going to take you to my site so you can kind of see how I did it and what it looks like. So I'm going to click here on the one I created. And right now I'm in editor mode. So I could change all kinds of things that I've already added in. I can change the images that I added in. So there's the images here. I can go to the pages that I was telling you about, and I can add more pages or I can add things to those pages. So under pages, here's where I was talking about I had a page called my newsletter. I have the page that's my school calendar, the location of our school when my parents first come on, or where my classroom is on the campus, and the videos that I like my students to look at. So up here at the top, it'll show all those different pages that you have created. Or you can actually do fun things like this, where I hooked those two little fun characters. Of course, my students are the love bug, so kind of a bug theme. But you could click here on the newsletter as well and be able to work in it still in this editor mode. Or you can click over here and continue to work on it in the editor mode. So once you want to see it how the parents see it, then you can go up here, or how the students will see it. You can go to the preview. So once I click on the preview, before I actually send it out, I can check to make sure that whatever I'm wanting to have happen will work. So then I can come down here and I can click and say, did the newsletters that I put in, did they actually show up? And then, yes, lo and behold, there's the newsletters that I've sent out to the families. I can do the same thing for the videos that I've put up. I want to make sure that the link actually works to it. So I could come here and, yep, the link that I put, it's working. So that's how you create a site.